Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to enroll in a DGS e-learning course. Step 1. Open Google and search for DG Shipping e-learning. Click on the first result or directly visit the portal at dgstcw.eduacademy.in. Step 2. Click on Course Enroll. Enter your INDOS number and date of birth, then select your desired course from the available list. Verify your details carefully and submit the enrollment form. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. Step 3. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option. Enter your registered email address and date of birth, then submit the request. A new password will be sent to your registered email ID. Course completion process. Step 4. Log in using your credentials, enter the CAPTCHA code, and click Sign In. Complete the face verification process using the Capture feature. If the verification fails, update your profile photograph and details as per the latest DG shipping guidelines before proceeding. Step 5. Once logged in, start the course and complete all the learning modules. Ensure you spend the required duration specified for the course and complete every section. The assessment will only become available after all course requirements have been fulfilled. Step 6. To track your progress, click on the Report section from the homepage. Verify that all modules have been completed and that your progress status reflects the required completion criteria. Assessment and certification. Step 7. After completing all course requirements, proceed to the assessment section. Read each question carefully and submit your answers. You may refer to the course materials if permitted. Step 8. Once the assessment is complete, click Finish and submit your attempt. If you encounter any issues during enrollment, course completion, assessment, or certificate download, please contact the relevant support team for assistance.